Okay, let's practice that again. Make your voice make the short A sound. Ah. Very good. That is our short sound. Okay, make that sound again. Ah. Did the sound stop or did it continue?
Stop.
It was a stop sound because you said it really fast. Let's try it again. Ah. Ah. Ooh, the sound stopped, didn't it? Because remember when we did Mr. M, his continued for a long time. It went His sound did not stop. But the short A sound stops. What is it again? Ah. Let's take a look at some things that I might have on our chart that makes the ah sound. Ah. Take a look. Raise your hand if you see something that makes the ah sound. What do you think, Nessa? What makes the ah?
Apple.
Oh, an ah. Apple. Did you hear that at the beginning of apple? Let's say it. Apple. Ah. Apple. Do I have something else that might have the ah sound, Peyton?
Ant.
Ant. Ooh, did you hear that stop sound when I said ah, ah, ant? You say it. Ant. Ant. Very good. That's the short sound. I'm going to close this up. Because remember I said we're doing a vowel. And vowels have two sounds. One is a short sound. The other one is a long sound. Sounds like this. Listen carefully. A. Look at me. I'm so cool. Can't you see? Put your thumb up and say A. Very good. Now put your hand on your throat. Let's see if it's voiced or unvoiced. A. What do you think? Voiced or unvoiced? Voice again. Now let's see if the sound stops or does it continue. Get a squirt, Lincoln. Okay, let's put our hand on our throat. Let's make the long sound. Ready? A. Did it stop or continue?
Continue.
It continued for a long time, didn't it? A. Ah. Ooh. A. Ah. A. Ah. Very good. Let's take a look at our chart. I have some things that have the A sound. Santino? No. They're close. Brent? A. Did you hear that A sound when I said A? That has the long sound. Anybody know what kind of nut that is, Audra?
Acorn.
Acorn. Very good. An acorn. All right, we have some things that are a long A and some things that are a short A. Let's take a look at our pictures that I have in my mystery bag. We're going to try to figure out, does my picture have the long A or the short A sound? I haven't said anything yet. Put your hand down. Okay, this is a picture of an axe. Grady, does it have the A sound or the A sound? Axe. Does it have the short A sound or the long A sound at the beginning? It has the short A. Axe. Can you put this on the short A side? Axe. Axe. With our crying baby. And what sound does a crying baby make? Ah. All right, let's see what else I have. Put your hand down. You don't even know what I have yet. Alligator. Ronald, what sound did you hear at the beginning of alligator? Alligator. What sound did you hear? Ah or A? Ah, very good. Can you put it on the short ah side? Very good. In fact, I'm going to draw a line right down the middle so we know that this side is the ah side. This is the A side. Let's see what else I have. Oh, put your hand down. Didn't even say it yet. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put it down like it. Astronaut. Marquand, astronaut. Very good. The short sound. Astronaut. Excellent. Ooh. This animal, it's not a deer. It's called an antelope. What do you think, Nessa?
Antelope.
Good. What sound did you hear at the beginning of antelope? Did you hear an or an A? Very good. Can you put that on the side over there, our short? Okay, it won't stick. It doesn't have a magnet. So just set it on the shelf. All right, let's see. Ooh, I do have a deer. But on the deer, he has these things that come out of his head. It's called an antler. Antler. Kayla, what sound did you hear at the beginning when I said antler? Did you hear an or an A? Antler. Yes. What sound did you hear at the beginning of antler? Did you hear an or an A? Say it again. Yes, very good. The short sound. Kennedy, I can't call on you if you're not sitting up properly. I already put it on our short sound for . Ooh. This is called an ambulance. Ambulance. Amaya, do you think that ambulance has the sound or the A sound? Very good. It has the sound for ambulance. Put that on our short side. Oh, there's something that we had on our chart. What kind of insect was this called? Jackson. Ant. Did it have the short sound? Ant or the long A sound? Ant? Yes, it had the short sound. Very good. All right. Oh, Mackenzie. Apple. Very good. It has a short sound. Could you please put that on the side? Oh my gosh, we have all these things that have what sound, boys and girls? Look at all these. Very good. Alrighty. Ooh, I think I have something. Listen to the beginning sound of this picture. Angel. Angel. Did that have the sound or the A sound? Which one, Ray? Or A. It said its name. Angel. Did you hear it say its name? A? So put it on our long A side. That's the short side. That's the long A side. Let's see what else I have. Oh! This is called an anchor. Anchor. Tegan, what sound does my anchor have? Does it have the sound or the A sound? It has the sound. We have room for another short sound. Oliver, put it down. Oh, remember our nut? Who remembers the name of our nut? Brent? All right, listen carefully. Acorn. Does it have the sound or the A A sound? It has the A sound. I'm going to give you a magnet. You put it on the string. Put it on our long A side. Okay, I'll give you a hint. This is not a monkey, because monkey has what sound at the beginning? But, any idea what this is? If it's not a monkey, Matthew, it's a gorilla. Does that have the A or the A sound? Santina? B. No. What do you think, Lincoln?
A.
A. Everybody say it. A. All right, Lincoln, let's figure this out. Does A have an A or an A sound? A. Put it on the A side. Oops, sorry. Alrighty, I have one more thing here. This is called, I know you all know what it is, airplane. Did you hear that beginning sound? Airplane. What do you think, Kennedy? A. Very good. Can you put this on the long A side? I think I'm going to have to get you a clip. All right. Flip it. Flip it and hang it on the long A side. Very good. Let's take a look at our long A sounds. Can you say this for me? Angel, Lincoln. Acorn. Airplane. And A. They all have what sound? A. Now let's take a look at the short side. Take a look at these pictures. Antler. Axe. Ant. Alligator. Apple. Astronaut. Ambulance. Anger. Antelope. Wow, those were a lot of action sounds. Thank you. Okay, let's take a look at the letter that makes that sound. We said we were learning about a vowel that had two sounds. What vowel has two sounds? Audra. A, our letter A. Let's look at our uppercase A. And we know this is the uppercase A because it is bigger or smaller? Bigger. The uppercase A is bigger. All right. How can we describe our uppercase A? Peyton?
Because it's a vowel and it has like all different kinds of A's in it.
Let me ask you this. Does our uppercase A have straight lines or curved lines? Straight lines. Does it have any curved lines?
No.
No. Let's count all the straight lines. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 straight lines. Now, when we make our uppercase A, we always start at the top. Look at what number 1 tells us to start at the top and go down. Number 2, same thing. Back up to the top and go down. Number 3 says go through the middle. Let's give it a try. Put your hand on your shoulder. Start at the top. Now we can't go straight down. Okay? We have to do a diagonal. Ready? Diagonal down. Go back up to the top. Diagonal down. And then go across. Alright? Let's try it again. Starting at the top. Where do we do for number 1? Diagonal down. Number 2. Diagonal down. And then straight across the middle. Head. Pretty easy for uppercase A, correct? Lowercase a is a little bit tricky because there is a special way for you to write our lowercase a. Because our lowercase a has a curved line and a straight line. A curved line and a straight line. The curved line has a number 1, so that means we do that one first. And it goes like this, boys and girls. Watch Mrs. Patron. You have to start at the top, but you're going to go around, up and down. Put your hand on your shoulder. Other one.
Oh.
Start at the top. Follow my finger. We're going to go around, up and down. Do it again. Start at the top. Around, up and down. Very good. Okay, last time. You tell me what to do. All right. Be careful, boys and girls, when you make the letter lowercase a. You're going to go around, up and down is a straight line. And if you notice, I traced it. Huh? Be very careful when you do your lowercase a. Around, up, and down. What happened there? Am I supposed to do a diagonal? No. No, it's supposed to be up and straight down. Don't go too far down.
Make a P.
Yeah, we're not doing that. Okay? Make sure you stop. Okay? We don't want to go all the way down. Okay? We must stop. Alrighty. Just an FYI for your homework tonight. You are going to practice writing your uppercase and your lowercase a's. You're going to I Spy. Only color the pictures that have the A or A. Listen carefully. Would you color this picture? Astronaut.
Yes.
Would you color this picture? Apple.
Yes.
Fish.
No.
At the bottom, you have to draw 3 pictures, and they all have the A sound in the middle. Listen carefully. What is my word? Add. At. At. You're going to draw those pictures at the bottom. On the other side, we have our old word, C-A-N. Can. Okay, you're going to color it. You're going to write it. You're going to write it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then you're going to I Spy all the words that you see that spell C-A-N. What is that word again? Can. You're going to I Spy can. Alrighty, we're going to go back to our Smart Spot because you're going to get out your iPad. And I'm going to change something here. You're going to get out your iPads and we're going to go on McGraw-Hill. We're going to go on McGraw-Hill. So you have to use your QR code for McGraw-Hill.
Can I stop recording?
Huh?
Can I stop recording?
So who's my new lights person? Jackson. Go ahead. Everybody else turn your body. We'll take a look at our McGraw-Hill and see what we are doing on McGraw-Hill. I'm sorry. I said McGraw-Hill, didn't I? I was wrong. It's Seesaw. This is Seesaw. Hey, just like we did the letter M, you're going to do the letter A on Seesaw. Listen to our directions.
In this activity, you will use the finger tool to move all the pictures and letters that have either the short A sound, A, at the beginning, or the long A sound, A, at the beginning. Don't forget to move all the correct letters to the purple rectangle. When you are done, press the green check mark to submit. Don't forget to press the green rectangle to begin.
Remember, they said don't forget to press the green rectangle to start. Okay? So after you listen to your directions, you press the green rectangle. Because when you open up the green rectangle, there's all your tools. What tool did she say to use?
Finger.
Finger tool. And you're going to move only the pictures that have the A or the A sound and the letters. Let's take a look at axe. A. Would we move that?
Yeah.
Yes, that has the A sound. Would we move this letter?
No.
No. What about an acorn? Yeah. Oops, lost an acorn. We would move the acorn because that's the A sound. We also have an ant, astronaut, ladybug. We have a letter. We have a bat. Ooh, we have a fancy. Does anybody know what letter this fancy letter is? It is. It's a fancy letter A. So should we put that up here? Yes. We have our alligator, apple, penguin, anchor, bee, and then we have 2 letters left over. Okay, when you're all done, what do you press to submit? Yes, the green check mark. You're going to press the green check mark. All right, my